Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way. We have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and then scroll down to find the status. And after scrolling down just a little bit, you can find both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.